Hey guys, today's I will introduce the natto. That's fermented soybeans. Not sure you heard about it. So let's try open up the package and just try to eat it. Okay, here is the package. Comes with a 3-piece. To open this package. Comes with a 3-piece. Let me open it up. Yeah, it comes with a 2-piece. It's got a sauce. It has a Japanese. I think it's mustard. It's gonna be hard. Here, this is a natto. So open up this lock. You see how sticky it is? Okay, let me put it there. Let me pour this sauce on top of it. Then another mustard on top of it. Then what you have to do is scramble. This is how you eat Japanese natto. See how thick it is? Now it's ready to eat. You wanna try? Yummy!